All right, so your eyes are red, watery, and itchy. Why is this happening and what can you do? There's 4 main reasons why I see this in my patients. Number 1 is allergies, number 2 is blepharitis, 3 is dirty contact lenses, and number 4 is makeup. Today we're going to be talking about blepharitis. Now, if you like this content, subscribe below. If you want to watch the playlist, click on the link right here. So today we're going to be talking about blepharitis. Let's get after it. All right, blepharitis. What in the world is this weird doctor term? Blepharitis is essentially inflammation of your eyelids. Yes, itis means inflammation. Bleph is your lid. Who cares? You have red, watery, itchy eyes and you want relief. Blepharitis is caused by an accumulation of dead skin, bacteria, sweat and debris that accumulate on your skin, your lids and lashes throughout the day. And my younger patients, they don't clean themselves, they don't shower, and it just builds up. And my older patients, they tend to be a little more cleanly, but guess what? We get wrinkles. Yeah, wrinkles. Wrinkles aren't just bad for cosmetic appearances, they collect dust and debris. If you're not cleaning these areas out, you're gonna get inflammation. This bacteria is gonna wreak havoc on your eyes. The havoc is in the form of inflammation, obstruction, and itchy eyes. Now, itch is a little different. If it's allergy related, we tend to wanna grind. If it's blepharitis related, you're gonna take your nails and go across your eyelids. So if you have that kind of itch, think blepharitis, we gotta clean those lids and lashes up. So 3 options to get rid of blepharitis to reduce the symptoms. Number 1, as I was saying, clean those eyelids. A tea tree foam cleanser or a hypochlorous acid spray. I like iEco's Tranquilized Tea Tree Cleanser or Avenova's hypochlorous acid spray. Both of these can target Demodex blepharitis, the bacteria that is most common on your lids and lashes. It's normally found on your skin. However, when you're sweating, when you're really active, and you have a lot of wrinkles that's collecting that dust and debris, it gets out of hand, it grows unchallenged. This is what you want to avoid. So the foam cleanser or the spray will kill that bacteria. So with the tea tree cleanser or the hypochlorous acid spray, if you're interested, check the link below. We'll link to those products. Now, when you use these, you want to use it at least twice a day. With the hypochlorous spray, it's as simple as spraying on your lids and lashes, doing a gentle rub. You don't have to be crazy, but you want to debulk, reduce that bacterial load. With the tea tree foam cleanser, in the shower is when I like to use it. Put on my lids and lashes, you have to let it sit for a minute. That can be the longest minute of your life. That's why I do it in the shower. Hot water, it gives me an excuse to spend a little more time in there. When my wife's yelling at me, I'm telling her I'm cleaning my eyes, taking care of the blepharitis. Number 2, antibiotics. Now, I'm not a huge proponent of putting someone on an antibiotic unless it's needed. So there are times when the blepharitis has got out of control and it's causing a significant eyelid infection. This is what you guys call styes or preseptal cellulitis, where that whole lid is red and inflamed. This is when the blepharitis has got out of control. At that time, you have to see your eye doctor. We're gonna prescribe antibiotics that will get that infection under control, but guess what? We're still gonna go back to lid hygiene. You have to get the foundation to make sure this doesn't happen. So clean those lids and lashes. If it gets really bad, your doctor will prescribe an antibiotic. And number 3, 2 of the specialized treatments that we actually have access to at our office are IPL, intense pulse light therapy, and a ZEST deep eyelid cleaning. The ZEST is a deep cleaning of those lids and lashes. This is like going to your dentist, but on steroids. It's gonna remove that bacteria and get you on solid footing so you can do that home therapy. Now, IPL or intense pulse light therapy is one of the advanced treatments we do to treat dry eye. Really, it's the gold standard. But the reason it works and is so effective is because it kills this bacteria that is causing the inflammation. So IPL and ZEST are options if you go to the right eye doctor. So 3 things for you. Cleaning the lids and lashes, you have to do. If it gets really bad, go to your eye doctor, get an antibiotic, get the infection under control, and then advanced therapies like ZEST and IPL, it's gonna get rid of that bacteria and give your eyes a little bit of relief, relieve you of that itch. Thankfully, there's a lot of options to clear that up. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe. We have a whole playlist of videos that will give you answers to why your eyes are itchy.